Hey, hi, I am Priyanka Singh if we have not met before, and today I'll be taking up day 3 problem of LeetCode monthly challenge. And the problem is merge two sorted lists. Here we need to merge two sorted linked lists and return it as a sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first two lists. So here, if we talk about the example, we are given two linked lists. One first is having values 1 2 4 and another having 1 3 4. So here, this will be the output. We are going to check for first for the node for the head node for, among both of these linked lists. So one is equal to one, then either one we can take. So we have taken from list 2 and then from list 1, and then we checked, and then we advanced our pointer by 1. Um, Pointer of first linked list is at 2, another is of 3, then we'll make a compare between these. So 2 is smaller, hence we will add 2 in our resultant variable, and so on and so forth. Let's see how we will do it in case of in terms of code. So here, approach what I'm going to use here. Actually, this is having two approaches. One is iterative and another is recursive. Today, I'm gonna focus on only iterative. And if you want me to make a video on recursive solution as well, guys, do let me know in the comment box. And here, so approach is basically, first I'm going to have a dummy node which where we will point current node, and then we are going to make compares between the values of both of these uh, lists, and whichever comes smallest we will add this into our current node, and so on and so forth. So let's see how will we do this here. So let's call it head node. I'm assigning it a very weird value because I don't want to get it confused with other element which could possibly come in the input as an element. So I don't want it to get confused with that. Hence I'm giving -1 here. And we will be having a current pointer which will point to our node where we are currently in a resultant list. Now we are going to pass through each of the list. We will check if first linked list is empty or second linked list is empty. So basically we are passing through each and every element, right? And we are gonna check if linked list 1 value is smaller than or equal to L2 value, then we will add it into a current pointer L1, and we will advance it by 1. And similarly goes for list 2. As soon as we get something, as soon as we get to know that L2 value is smaller than L1, then we will add L value from L2 and then advance it by 1 pointer. And in both of the cases, current is always going to update, because in either of the cases we are always going to have a node which we will be adding to our current pointer. Hence, we will advance it by 1 always. And for cases like this example 3, here if we are having one node, one linked list which is completely empty, and another is having some elements. In that case, we're going to return with linked list 2 as it is. So we are going to make a check for the same here. We will check if L1 is not equal to null. If it is not equal to null, in that case we are going to add this L1 as it is in our current. Same goes for L2. If we are having something in L2 and L1 got exhausted, then we will add the L2 linked list as it is in our answer. Alright. And here we will return head node, but make sure L1 is not the part of our answer. It's not the part of our answer. Hence, we will be eliminating it before returning it. So this is how we will do it. And let's just go through the code. Head node, current. Here we are going to pass through each node. If it is smaller, then we will add it to our current. If L2 is smaller, we will add it to our current. And in both of the cases, we are going to advance this current pointer by one time. And here is the check when one linked list gets exhausted and another is still having some elements. Let's run the code. And even for example 2, when both of these are empty, in that case as well, okay, it got accepted. So in example 2, what will happen in this case? Um, yeah, so we will be having a single node here, -1. And as both of these are empty, we won't jump into this loop. Then neither this gonna pass. Then we're just gonna return with empty. We are eliminating the very first node and then passing on the rest of the code, which is empty, null. So for us, three of those examples are passing hand. So it got accepted. Yay. So this was one approach. Another one is recursive. That is also simpler, much not much difficult. But this is a question which has been asked in many interview questions that you must try once before going to your next interview. So thank you. And if you guys like this video, then do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And see you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.